explain you about the Hora, how you can use this Hora to change your life. So you have to go on chalchakra.com website, and this is the option. You will find the Hora. You just click on the Hora. You have to put your city where you are based out of, and you can just click on the search button. You will be able to find the Hora. So every 1 hour, Hora keep on changing. So whenever you logged in into chalchakra.com, you can easily find there that what is the current Hora which is going on for the city where right now you're staying. So right now, as it is shown, it is a moon Hora. So the current Hora is moon, and that will be between 2:31 p.m. to 3:38 p.m. So now let me explain you step by step how this Hora can help you to change your life and you can align things in your life. Before that, first you need to understand that the Hora is a planetary hour ruled by a specific planet. Each Hora carries the energy, a mood, and the power for its ruling planet. So right now it is a moon Hora which is going on. That means that the emotions are fully open right now. Moon is fully activated right now, which is connected to your mental health. And so during the moon hora, if you're doing anything which is connected to the moon, like drinking water, meditation, talking to your mother, or doing Shiva meditation, offering water to Shiva during this time, this will help you out to improve your moon planet. So this if this in this 1 hour you are going to do something related to the moon, this will help you to align your moon planet in your favor. So if you have a problem of anxiety, depression, overthinking, this you will be able to overcome it. So hora is the auspicious time of the day. So now you can see, like today is Wednesday, so the first hora of the day will be the Mercury. So the day is going to start with a Mercury hora. In this day, on this day, these are the each hora. So for the day, the sunrise time today is 5:36 a.m. to 6:44 a.m. So the first hora will be the Mercury hora. So in the Mercury Hora, what you can do anything which is connected to the communication, anything which is connected to the writing, sending the business proposal, or doing something which is connected to the business or communication during this time. And if a Mercury is weak in your birth chart, like you have a problem of communication or your business is not going good during this time, then try to do donation related to the Mercury during the Mercury Hora. This will help you out to align your Mercury planet in your favor. After the Mercury Hora, there is a Moon Hora. So Moon Hora starts from today. It is going to start from 6:44 a.m. to 7:55 a.m. So during this time, if you are doing anything with any activity which is connected to the moon, like drinking, like you can drink water during this time. You can do anything which is like talking to your mother, or you can donate sugar or rice during this time. This will help you out to improve your moon planet. The next is a Saturn Hora. So Saturn Hora, which is going to start from 7:58 a.m. 7:51 a.m. to 8:57 a.m. So during the Saturn Hora, you can donate oil or you can do the Chaya Dan. As Saturn is a planet of discipline, Saturn is a planet of hard work. So make sure during the Saturn Hora, you are doing the hard work. You are doing something which is connected to your career. Make sure that you are not sitting blank during the Saturn Hora, because if you are sitting idle during the Saturn Hora and doing nothing, then the Saturn Hora can give you the problems. Only you need to understand that how you can utilize this Hora in the right direction. You have to start aligning your energies with that planet and start working for that planet. You will notice that you will be able to complete all your work successfully, and these planet will start it pleasing. The day when these planet will started pleasing, you are going to see overall you are going to get the success money wise, health wise, and wealth wise. Now this is a very important hora, that is a Jupiter hora. Jupiter hora that is shown here, it starts from 8:57 a.m. to 10:04 a.m. and it keeps on changing daily. You can just log in into chalchakra.com and you can find with what is the current hora time for each day. So the Jupiter hora, this is a hora of the Jupiter. This is actually a very auspicious hora. Anything you are doing like mantra chanting, starting something new during this time, doing the chanting of the Jupiter mantra or praying to Lord Vishnu during this time. The important thing is that if you have a problem of the weight gain, like if you have a problem of the weight gain, you face a lot of problem, like you eat less but again you struggle with the weight gain. Even you try a lot with everything but you are not able to overcome things in your life, then overcome the weight related problem, then your solution is the Jupiter hora. How you need to utilize this Jupiter hora? So Jupiter is a guru, that is Brihaspati, planet of growth and expansion. It even increase your body weight too. So if you eat during the Jupiter hora, then there is a high possibility of the water retention in your body. This means that if you eat or drink during the Jupiter hora, then there is a major higher possibility you to gain weight easily. So you have to make sure daily during the Jupiter hora you are doing the fasting. Avoid eating, avoid drinking water during the Jupiter hora. This will help you to manage your weight very well. So during the Jupiter hora, what you can do? You can do anything like purchasing the gold during this time, doing mantra chanting during this time, anything which is connected to the dharma. If you're doing in the Jupiter hora, this will help you to enhance your luck. Next is the Mars aura. Mars is connected to the physical activity. Any type of exercise you are doing in the Mars aura, running, exercise, yoga, gym, anything you can do the Mars aura. If your Mars is weak, you have having a problem of anger, impulsiveness, then make sure during the Mars aura you are donating things which is related to the Mars. Mars related thing, like you can donate jaggery, you can feed jaggery to the cows. So if you do continuously this for 45 days in the Mars aura, your Mars planet will start working in your favor. It is very good if you want to manage your weight, start eating in the Mars aura. If you started eating in the Mars aura, Mars is a fire element. If you started eating in the Mars aura, this will help you out to digest your food very easily. Sun Hora, this is a very good time for the leadership, setting up your goals, writing down your goals, making your vision board, working on your vision board. Even this is a very good time, even spending the time with your children too. So Sun Hora, if you have a weak sun, continuously for 45 days in the Sun Hora, listen to Aditya Hriday Strotam. Doing yoga during this time is very good. Even if you are talking to your father or talking to the elderly figure, or if you have a problem with your bosses, this is a good hora to choose. You can talk to your bosses during this time. This will help you out to solve things easily in the life. The next is a Venus aura. Venus is a very auspicious aura again, just like a Jupiter. Venus, if you want beauty, good beauty, attraction, name, fame, success, overall attraction in your life, and you want an easy and comfortable life, then daily in the Venus aura, do something that makes you happy. Venus aura is the best time to cultivate the self love. So, what you can do in the Venus aura, like applying the face pack, doing something for your own self like eating fruits, or drinking water for your beauty, or you are doing the mantra chanting connected to goddess Lakshmi. Even the Venus aura is very good to talk to your loved ones. Let's say you have a problem with your loved ones, you have any type of problem you are facing with your loved one is not talking to you, choose Venus aura and start talking to your loved one in the Venus aura. Gradually and slowly things will start improving for you. Mercury aura. Mercury is connected to the mind. So Mercury aura, utilize this aura connected to if you want to learn anything, you writing, learning, communication, business deals. This is a very good time to utilize it. If you have a Mercury afflicted, your business is not working, or you're not so good in communication, then try to donate things related to the Mercury during this time. Again, these horas will keep on repeating. So these are the horas, how you can utilize this hora, which I've already explained. A very easy way to find which is the current hora which is going on, you have to just log in into chalchakra.com and you will find what is the current hora, what is going on. If you started planning your day as per this hora, you are going to see a tremendous changes in your life. Share this video with your loved one.